Hello friends, welcome to the TechlyZ channel. So friends, today I will talk about CORSAIR 6500 series and 2500 series dual chamber cases. So friend, CORSAIR announced its re-entry into the dual chamber PC case market, and friend, whether you need the spacious mid-tower series of the 6500 for a powerhouse desktop or the compact mid-tower design of the 2500 for a micro 88 build, the dual chamber layout makes building easier, promoting efficient cooling alongside a clean and professional look. With support for the latest reverse connector motherboards, option to convert from fully mesh airflow to tempered glass panels, and a range of functional and aesthetic accessories, these new cars mark a leap forward to the dual chamber case design, and the new reverse connector motherboards are a game changer for PC builders. And these motherboards, such as the ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero, feature connection directly tucked away behind the motherboard tray, and this layout, especially when combined with the CORSAIR iCUE Link ecosystem, dramatically simplifies the building process and enables nearly cable-free view within the main chamber of the case. iCUE Link technology takes this step further by enabling fans and other Ethernet components to connect to each other seamlessly, reducing the need for multiple types of cables and connectors. The dual chamber layout separates the cooling and cable management zone to allow more direct airflow for thermally demanding components, and friend, the 6500D airflow and 2500D airflow provide 4 radiator mounting location for immense cooling flexibility, while the 6500X and 2500X can fit 3 radiators, ensuring impressive cooling for flagship builds. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.